Hi everyone, I am Vinan Gurukal. In this video, I would like to explain the easiest method of activation of chakras, especially the third eye chakra. In one of the video, I had explained that 108 vital points or marma points are chakras. According to Siddhas, 108 vital points are chakras. But the major chakras constitute 18 vital points or 18 chakras in human body, and that 18 vital points are directly connected with our cosmic body, and in turn it is connected with astral body. Like that, in one of the video I had explained different types of body, I mean Chadudamba. It is explained in Siddhas concepts. Most of the time, this type of knowledge are kept secret in our texts or kept secrets by Siddhas and only taught to disciples. I am explaining this for your knowledge. If you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe and spread this type of ideas. Most of the time, different types of practices are come into India in the form of prana healing, Reiki, acupuncture, acupressure, magnetic holistic treatments like that. But the original methods are still existing in India, which had been contributed by Siddhas. Have to activate the chakras. According to texts, there have been more than 7 easiest methods of activation of chakras. If I am telling about the text may have been written only before hundreds of years before, but this knowledge had been taught by Siddhas by mouths to disciples thousands and thousands of years before. So the methods are in Sanskrit: lohena, vilohena, manena, pranena, kayena, mandrena, maritvena. These are the 7 easiest method of activation. First is lohena. Loha means metals. So many different types of metals which can easily activate the chakras. So in acupuncture, the needle is a typical type of metal. So by metal we can activate the chakras. So it is known as lohena. In ancient times, Siddhas used different type of metals to activate these chakras, especially some purified types of metals, especially iron, copper, and some alloys having 5 metals, etc. means panchaloha. And also alohena. Aloha means some type of wooden things, or things made by mud, or things made by different items which can activate chakras, especially some types of crystals, beads like rudraksha, beads like tulasi, some type of crystals, some type of jewels, etc. These are known as vilohena. Lohena, vilohena, kayena. Kayena means with body. With our body part, we can activate the chakras by pressing it. Just by pressing on a chakra, we can activate that. In Varmology, we are using 48 different type of pressings or different type of adangals, 48 different type of adangals to activate the chakra. Only taught by gurus to the disciples who had been learning that guru for at least 12 years. So, kayena means pressing method or different type of body movements, different type of adangals, different type of pressings. Pressing not only mean by this type of pressing or tapping, tilting, pinching, like different types, that is mean by kayena, and it is 48 different types exist in it. So lohena, vilohena, kayena. Next is pranena. The kayena principle means with the body, it come under acupressure. In India, this method is coming under wormology, or it is also known as marmology or thanology. In that concepts or in that part of knowledge, the method of pressing, different type of pressing and activating exist, and even it is using in vital point attack and curing with vital point, curing of different diseases with vital point, etc. That is known as kayena. And pranena, it comes under different varieties of methods. So prana means dasha prana, prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, naga, kurma, krigara, devata, dhananjaya. 10 type of different type of pranas exist in our body, and it is controlling our vital organs like ear, eyes, nose, tongue, palate, and even heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, intestines, like that. 32 different types of limbs in our body are controlled by these 10 pranas, and also another 8 subsidiary pranas. So that prana is a wide topic, and so many different things had to learn under this topic. So many years may takes to learn it completely, and the method of activation with prana is still existing in India in its original form, but you can see the similar type of knowledge in Reiki, prana healing, etc. But it is still exists in India, and also you can see some of the traditions like temple worship and also pujas or deity devotions. These practices hidingly exist or exist in a hidden form. So pranena. Next is manena. Manena means with mind we can activate our chakras. Inside the pranic body there is a mental body. So 5 bodies exist. That 5 bodies are Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha. These are subtler layers of body, and inside our physical body there are pranic body, and inside pranic body there have this mental body. So this mental body can control or activate or deactivate any of the vital points in our body. Even this mind can control the mind of others or can activate the vital points or chakras of others also. So that method is known as manena. So lohena, vilohena, kayena, pranena, manena. Next is maritwena. Maritwa in Tamil known as herbs. So many different varieties of herbs exist, and that is practicing in a Siddha and also Ayurveda. So the Ayurvedic original medicines, medicinal plants, or Siddha original medicinal plants, and 64 different type of pashanas can activate the vital points of human body. According to Siddhas, one concept among so many concepts, one concept exists that vital points will be activated by Maritva or herbal medicines. So when we intake herbal medicines, the vital points absorb the energy from these medicinal plants or medicines, and these vital points are charging our human body. Even there is also one concept among so many concepts, when we are eating something, the energy is absorbed by, not only by the cells, it is absorbed by our vital points, and it is charged in vital points, and it is saved in vital points like a battery. It is another concept by Siddhas. When the charge is totally over, we will be no more. They are thinking like that. So the charging of our vital points or chakras, we can do with the simple method as Maritva. Next method is Mandrena, the vibrational sound, that is mantra. Chanting of a bija, chanting of some syllables creates vital energy in vital points. Every syllable, even a word, even vowels or consonants, anything which can create energy. Some sounds may make losing of energy if talking without care. So Siddhas tell speechless. They tell speechless meditate more. So even speech can make the loss of energy. But when we chant a mantra, it increase the energy. It activate the vital points, because every bijakshara, even Aim, Klim, Sreem, likewise so many different bijaksharas, like Meyer Tando Iret, I och Havret Land, Yamanganam, Chabanyadas, Japakadas, Kapachada, Chadado, Kapay, this type of Meyer Tando Irets create vital energy in our vital points. So these are the main 7 methods of activation. So many other methods exist, some are hidden methods, so I don't like to explain it through public platform of YouTube videos. These 7 methods are still practicing in India, and the practitioners do not openly say that. So what happens is that different types of synonymal methods or parallel methods come from different countries. Example, acupuncture, acupressure, pranic healing, Reiki, magnetic or holistic curing methods, etc. The things which I explained now, the 7 methods, still practicing in India.